Julian, and I'm doing this on my you know, you know, I upload at my dad's computer. And things are going great, and of course they're doing great. That was going weird today. Now it's facing me. So, yeah. Please upload. I have nothing to do, so can't watch TV. Commercial. Which commercials were even made? Tomorrow is my second day of school with my best teacher ever, Miss Erickson. If you're paying your paper and you can pick a prize from the prize box, I will pick the best one for Mousy. I mean, the one that's for us. My brother. I mean, my bunny. My bunny. That is my bunny. I mean, that is my bunny. I mean, that is my bunny. That is my bunny. That's my bunny. That's my bunny. Okay. So let's start happening. How is this camera facing now? I am so happy. My can't see. Can't see my mouth either. So, just a reminder, keep sending messages, guys. I want to see his feelings. Now, once and I'm stupid, and you are stupid. If you call me that, then you are. Keep sending those messages, guys. Bye.